What is up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your favorite guy, Mr. Brown Guy. You know it, I know it, and hopefully you are appreciating it like my parents because they love this channel. Now, if you're a brown person like me, somewhere or somehow in your life you have received this question. Your mom must make the best butter chicken in the world. Yeah, she does, and you're a racist. Nah, I'm just kidding. She does make the best butter chicken in the world. Now, I want to make that best butter chicken in the world, but in a low-calorie, low-fat, low-carb version. Hopefully, those proteins are getting up. We love them proteins. Now, if you want to see how to do that, let's get cooking.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, you are going to need a couple of ingredients such as the onion, tomatoes, garlic, ginger, chicken. Chop them up, put them aside, and let's get started.
Gentlemen, this is what it looks like. It's hella delicious and hella easy. For you guys out there who want to count your macros, carbs, fats, proteins, and calories, I'm going to put a chart over here. And when I say low calorie, I mean low calorie compared to the original one. If you want to see more content just like this, please comment down below, give it a like, and subscribe to the channel. Peace.